Arsenal plate loaded multi-use machine. Now I say multi-use because you can perform more than 4 different variations of movements with this. We're gonna go over how to set up a couple, and you can utilize what you would like. The most popular one when you look at a machine like this is a split squat variation. If you wanna perform that, there's a couple different levers back here. First off, this is set all the way down, so obviously who was ever using this wasn't split squatting. You're gonna pull that peg and pull it up to appropriate height. So when we're doing a split squat, we can place our resting foot on that for balance reasons and isolate that front leg. You can also extend how long or short that is by pulling the second peg and extending that out if you need to. This will give you a little bit greater knee flexion on that front leg. Or if you want to sit the hips back a little bit further and incorporate more glutes and hamstrings, you can take that all the way back. Once you do that, you're gonna grab the handles, perform your split squat, and you'll go into that. If you do not want to use it for the split squat, there's a lot of other purposes you can use. You can take these pegs down a little bit closer to the ground. They want to cooperate, there we go. And what a lot of people do once this is locked in, a lot of people like to grab both of these at the same height. They'll load weight, and they can do a shrug variation where they lean forward and hinge in the hips a little bit, squeeze their traps back and up. That's one thing you could do. Another variation you could do is you could load the weight up with the same momentum. You could stand up straight with weight in both hands. You could hinge at the hips and perform a variation of an RDL, which is a very good thing that you can do with this one as well to support that low back and that glute without having to worry about barbell clearance. And another thing you can actually do with this, again, based off the height and everything, is you can grab the rotating handle, you can step over top, and you could perform a type of row. Not my favorite for that one, but I have seen it done. So again, this can be used for almost any kind of movement. You can actually get underneath and use it for a press as well. But the main ones that I would utilize and suggest this for, RDLs, split squat, shrugs, and then any kind of row variation that you want to perform.